Good morning.
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 One more time.
Morning.
Thank you. So it's an honor and a pleasure to be here. I'd like to thank the vendors who are here today supporting this mission of treating the most common disorder. You want to talk? I know. He's going to be 40 minutes of talking. So the bottom line is we thank the vendors. We're unique as a headache center because we work with every vendor here to get the FDA approval of these drugs by doing research. The average waiting time for a headache specialist to be seen by an individual is about 6 months in the United States. We've built a system together, and how'd you get here? I was about to invite you. So this is Dr. Harb and Dr. Tomaszek, our newest members. All of our doctors here, including Jennifer and Nick, are board certified in headache medicine. The average waiting time to see a headache specialist in Western Europe is far less. We are proud ourselves of open access, which means you could be seen within about 72 hours. And we have a system with Alex Gilalio somewhere here who runs that program. So if you have an emergency, a friend who needs to be seen, stay away from the emergency room, come see us. And we'll be able to see you and treat you within 24, 48 hours. So it's something that's very unique. So I'm going to leave it at that. I'd like to thank everyone for being here. I'll be honest, we have great headache specialists in Western Europe, not only from the DENT, but from the University of Buffalo. We're proud that we work together, and we're very unique in the United States to have the opportunity to see patients in a very professional way, and with the great drugs that you see around us, and we're proud to be part of that whole process. Jennifer, Nick.
Hi, thank you so much, Dr. Mitchell. My mentor and colleague, I wouldn't be here without you and all these very amazing individuals standing here as well. I just wanted to give a thank you to all of you for coming out here in the morning, running. You guys excited? Yes! I am also a pediatric neurologist. All of these companies that you see here are, well, some soon to be are going to do pediatric migraine research, or we're already in the process of doing pediatric migraine headache research. And I'm happy to say we're on the cusp of being able pretty soon to offer some of these medications to children. So I thank you all if you volunteered for any of my pediatric trials, if you're part of them, very excited. But you know, kids get headaches too. They're not just that they're trying to avoid school, they're not just sinus, they actually have migraine headache, even down to 3 and 4 years old. Listen to your children, bring them in, we can investigate what the cause is. Please, especially if you as adults have headaches, your kids have headaches, they might be migraines, so bring them in for an evaluation. So I just wanted to say thank you to all the companies that are helping, especially with the pediatric research and the pediatric trials. Hopefully we'll have post-traumatic headache trials in the near future as well. We're working on that, but I want to give it to Dr. Cycli.
Thank you all for coming again, and I'm just not going to reinvent the wheel, but I'm just going to say again, thank you, each and every one of you, for supporting Miles for Migraine, supporting the Western New York area. We couldn't have done it without you, and I'm privileged to be the director of the Headache Fellowship, so this fundraising helps me to bring more providers into Western New York. And I was lucky enough to, out of the 7 headache specialists, 4 have been my fellows, and I was the first fellow under the direction of Dr. Metzler. So he's our mentor, he's been our mentor, and then I was the first fellow, then Jen, and then Dr. Hart. This guy, I don't know where he went. Dr. Tomaszek was lucky enough to also do a fellowship with Dr. Stu Tepper, and then joined us. So it's great to have 7 headache specialists at DENT, and that's why I think we build the model, as Dr. Metzler said, with open access. Thank you for industry. Thank you for industry also, and they are not the bad guys with healthcare costs. It's not them. There are many others, so they are not the ones that people need to blame. I want to thank also the providers with 8 PAs and NPs to, as part of our headache center and part of our subspecialty groups across DENT. We couldn't have done it without our PAs and NPs and doing what we do and helping patients get in faster and helping achieve migraine freedom. So thank you again. Thank you all for your support. And I know I could keep talking and Dr. Nestor. Thank you, take care.
Everybody who's a headache specialist, nurse practitioner, PA, put your hands up, because we have a lot of them here with their families. And an open access model, we have Dr. Ryan Moe, who is a board certified headache specialist trained at the DENT. Do you know what he's doing right now? He's seeing headache patients on a Saturday morning, full of new headache consults.
For me, because I was supposed to.
So what I'm trying to explain to you is that the physicians here, including nurse practitioners, PAs, go above and beyond to offer the care that our patient population deserves.
Thank you so much for coming out today. It really means a lot. We're very excited that everyone's here. Migraine, as everyone knows, is a very common disease and very prevalent. And so we're here to help you out. We're excited to help everyone through this difficult disease. There's not really much more that I would say. Just want to echo what has already been said. We can't do it without our providers and our staff, the PAs and MPs. It's just a great place at the DENT to see patients and see.
Thanks for everyone for coming out. Not a whole lot more to add after all of these great speakers performing, but also just a shout out to everyone else at the DENT Headache Center and at headache centers throughout the country who support the process, support the physicians, and without them we wouldn't be able to do what we do. So thank you for everyone involved.
Thank you.